Yes, there is still a gap po in the supply of the guidance counselors and mga professionals po in terms of yung mental health, in terms of bullying, and around 4,000 po, I believe, yung vacant po na counseling position. The qualifications are quite steep. So I believe there's a master's degree that's involved as well for the qualifications. So mahirap po talagang i-fill yung position.
Giit ng DepEd, nagbukas sila ng posisyon ng Guidance Counselor Associates na hindi nangangailangan ng master's degree basta't nakakuha ng psychology at iba pang kahalintulad na units. Tinetrain na rin nila ang mismong mga guro upang ang mga ito na mismo ang makadetect ng mga issue ng bullying, lalo na sa mga estudyante na nasa murang edad at mayroong special needs.
Sila po talaga yung nakaka-identify if for children of a young age nga po, if may nangyayari na pong precursors to bullying or signs or red flags po na the child is already being bullied. So we are capacitating them and training them to be able to identify these para on behalf of the child po makareport na sila.